Good morning, everyone. My name is Ejim. I am learning CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. Today, I want to present my mail project functionality by demonstrating all of the specifications. Then, starting from number one specification, when user submit the email confirmation form, our JavaScript should actually send the email. Once the email has been sent, load the user sent mailbox. Here, if in a composed email, I would like to send email to the recipient. Subject line is missing and the body will be want us to meet. And then if I send the mailbox, if I send the email, it will load the sent mailbox. Then the next one, when a user receives the mailbox and the inbox, sent email box or archive, load the appropriate mailbox. Here, if I load the inbox, it loads the appropriate inbox mailbox. Then in sent, it loads sent mailbox, and also archive, it also loads the archived mailbox. Then number 3, view mail. The user clicks on an email. When a user clicks on an email, the user should be taken to a view where they see the content of that email. The application should show the email sender, recipient, timestamp, subject, and body. See the here in the section. Okay. Once the email has been clicked on, you should mark the email as read, so that you can send the push request to /email/id to update whether email is read or not. Here now, if I click on an email, I can view it. Here is the details of the email. Here is the view of an email. So if I click the button, here it shows me the sender, the recipient, subject, timestamp, and the body, which is hello. The next one, archive, allow users to archive and unarchive emails that they have received. When viewing an inbox email, the user should be presented with a button that lets them archive the email. When viewing an archive email, the user should be presented with a button that lets them archive the email. This requirement does not apply to emails in the sent mailbox. Here in the inbox, I can archive email, and in the archive mailbox, I can unarchive email. And then there's no button that is in sent mailbox to archive an email. Then allow user to reply an email. When viewing an email, the user should be presented with a reply button that lets them reply the email. When the user clicks the reply button, they should be taken to email composition form. Fill the composition form with the recipient fields to whoever sent the original email. Fill the subject line. If the original email had a subject line of full, the new subject line should be with full. If the subject line already begins with re, no need to add it again. Prefill the body of the email with a line like on January 1st, 2020, 12 o'clock a.m. full example.com growth followed by context or that text of the email. Here, you have viewed an email, I can be able to reply with a reply button, and all the details of the sender, recipients, and the subject line have been pre-populated here in the composition form as is being stated. This is web program with Python and JavaScript. Thank you.